4-bedroom 2-bathroom brick 4 sides home on 2 lots on a corner with beautiful landscaping, large trees, fruit trees and a water well already set up for all your outside watering. In the backyard you will find a nice sized yard, dog run, RV parking and double garage door workshop with electricity and all surrounded by a metal fence. Inside this home you will find some fresh interior paint, wood laminate, tile and carpet in bedrooms, great kitchen dining area with gas stove, wood cabinets and all the other kitchen appliances. Large living room area with wood burning fireplace and 2 skylights in the ceiling. 4th bedroom could be a second master, it just doesn't have a bathroom but could be added, or could be a bedroom and second living area. Come take a look before it's gone.